The house on Ponce and Chavez Streets in Davao City catches fire. Separate earthquakes in municipality of Manay, the province of Davao Oriental. It's just a doublet earthquake. PMA honors officer and cadets with military condemnation medal for excellence in National Campus Media Conference. And the health news. The okra can help remove microplastics from wastewater. Good evening, I'm Apolinario 30 Dignadisi Valencia, and this is the weekend news. The house on Ponce and Chavez Streets in Davao City catches fire. A house fire broke out on Ponce and Chavez Streets in Barangay 28 in the city of Davao last Friday night, on October 10 this year. A video by the Filipino-Chinese firefighters of Davao Incorporated shows a large fire that consumed a house and a power line that was blown out due to the fire. The fire was declared out at 7 p.m. or 7 in the evening, according to the Filipino-Chinese firefighters of Davao Incorporated. Separate earthquakes in the municipality of Manay, the province of Davao Oriental. It's just a doublet earthquake, not an aftershock. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, or PHIVOLCS, Director Teresito Bacolcot said that the magnitude 6.8 earthquake in the municipality of Manay, the province of Davao Oriental, at 7 o'clock and 12 minutes in the evening on Friday, October 10, was not an aftershock. He explained that the magnitude 7.4 and magnitude 6.8 earthquakes that shook the province were the different events or possibly doublet earthquakes. He said the aftershocks would be 1 degree lower than the main shock. The 6.8, it's not an aftershock. A similar doublet earthquake occurred in Hinatuan in the province of Surigao del Sur last 2023, where separate magnitude 7.4 and 6.8 also shook the province. PMA honors officer and cadets with military condemnation medal for excellence in National Campus Media Conference. The Philippine Military Academy, or PMA, awarded the military condemnation medal to one officer and 11 cadets during the flag raising ceremony on October 6 this year for their outstanding performance and dedication during the 16th National Campus Media Conference held in the city of Angeles, the province of Pampanga, on September 25 to 27 this year. Lieutenant Colonel Almira C. Habagat and cadets Naron C. Angchangco, Mel Evan Y. Cañedo, EY I. Ateoan, Marcon D. Mendoza, Hermwil Rodin D. Robinos, Joseph C. Olalo, Sherry May P. Gecko, Zahara May V. Arucan, Rafael John A. Mardicas, Jeris Bernard D. Katakutan, and Carol Jean M. Jepolani were recognized for their exemplary efficiency, devotion, and loyalty as officers and members of the Cadet Corps, Armed Forces of the Philippines, o CCAFP. Their exceptional performance in various categories, including digital magazine publishing, documentary, profile feature story, pambansang pautakang pampahayagan, and literary illustration showcased their creativity, leadership, and discipline. The milestones not only highlights the cadets' excellence in campus journalism, but also brings pride and honor to the Philippine Military Academy and the Armed Forces of the Philippines. DTI Sultan Kudarat attends Cacao Industry Development Council meeting. DTI Sultan Kudarat presented the status of the Rapid Growth Project implementation during the Sultan Kudarat Cacao Industry Development Council meeting held on October 10 this year at the Sultan Kudarat Agricultural Trading Center in the city of Tacuro. The meeting was organized by the officers of the Council and the High Value Corps Development Program, or HVCDP coordinators. In partnership with the Office of the Provincial Agriculturist, the Council recommended to include government agencies during meetings such as DTI. To further strengthen coordination and support for the development of the cacao industry in the province, members were likewise encouraged to visit the Connect with DTI to align their plans and initiatives with the agency's current programs and interventions aimed to boosting the local cacao value chain. And our health news. Did you know that okra can help remove microplastics from wastewater? The slime that many eaters flown up upon the actually help us save our bodies. Scientific at Tarleton State University in the USA have discovered that extracts from okra and other slimy plants commonly used in cooking can effectively remove microplastics from water sources. These plant-based polysaccharides act as natural pollutants, binding microplastics into clumps that can be easily separated from water. In laboratory tests, okra removed approximately 67% of microplastics, while its counterpart achieved 93% removal. The combination of both extracts reached 70% efficiency within 30 minutes. These natural alternatives outperform traditional synthetic pollutants such as polyacrylamide, which can break down into toxic substances. In fact, plant extracts were tested on real microplastic-contaminated water from Texas and shown that okra worked best in ocean water, fenugreek in groundwater, and their combination in fresh water. Removal efficiency also varied due to differences in the types, sizes, and shapes of microplastics in the samples, which affects how the natural polymers interact with the pollutants. The researchers believe that these plant-based methods can be integrated into existing water treatment system without the need for a new infrastructure, offering a sustainable and non-toxic solution to microplastic pollution. And that is Weekend News this Sunday. I'm Apolinario 30 Dignadisi Valencia, and this is Salakot Online Broadcasting Network. Good night, everyone.